TidyCup, the clean, simple solution. Any female who has been requested to submit a midstream urine sample at her doctor's office can attest to the need for real improvement in this area. More often than not, the ordeal involves a balancing act that leads to a messy, unpleasant experience and can produce a sample with varying degrees of contamination. TidyCup is designed to yield a cleaner sample, take the messiness out of collecting a sample, and make midstream collection simple. Patented TidyCup uses a unique pull tab specifically designed to assist women in the neat, sanitary collection of a midstream urine sample. Here's how TidyCup works. TidyCup uses a standard specimen cup. The first portion of the sample is neatly discarded. The optimal midstream portion of the sample is collected when the pull tab is activated. Any overflow is neatly discarded. The sample is removed and capped for testing. Here's what patients and healthcare professionals are saying about TidyCup, the clean, simple solution. TidyCup, the clean, simple solution.